How to delete your business profile on Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can delete our business profile. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to delete your business profile, first of all, you need to set up your business profile. Simply tap on contribute here. And here you can see add place option. So simply tap on add place. After that, you'll get an option here called add business for you. Add a business to Google for free. So you may just simply tap on that option and complete the process in order to create your business account. After that, after your account is verified for a business profile, you may simply tap on this business. It will appear on the screen right here. After that, simply tap on your business. There are certain steps that you need to follow. The very first step is mark your business as permanently closed. For that, once you've confirmed the listing you want to remove, navigate to the business dashboard while sign into the correct Google account. Go to your business profile, then remove business profile. You can see this kind of interface will appear. You'll simply need to tap on business profile settings. After that, you can see that option called remove business profile. Under there, you'll be able to see this, mark this business as closed. So simply tap on that option and then set min business hours or mark your business as closed. Tap on permanently close and tap on save. After that, step 2 is remove your profile content and managers. For that, once continue is clicked, there is no going back, so you will totally lose access to your profile. After that, you'll be able to see remove profile content and managers under remove business profile. Just tap on continue. You'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen while you're going further with the process. And step 3 is report business profile or suggest edit that it doesn't exist. So you may just simply tap on suggest and edit, ensure location that you've just into your business location. After that, simply tap on suggest your edit, and here tap on does not exist here. Just simply tap on it. After that, after doing so, you need to wait at least 24 hours for Google to review your suggestion and take action to remove the listing. Once the listing is removed, you should receive a confirmation email that your suggestion was published and the listing was removed. And just like that, you will be successfully deleting your Google business account or profile. So therefore, follow the steps and you should be able to remove your business profile from Google Maps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.